Camera, lighting, mirrors. Prior to starting work, the exterior mirrors are moved into working position and adjusted. The cameras, installed at different positions on the machine, are checked for correct adjustment, proper fastening, and cleanness. Displayed on the upper right-hand screen in the operator's cabin, the operator can switch between the 4 camera views using the green-rimmed button on the right-hand joystick. When the machine is reversed, the reverse assist system is activated and the steering guidelines are displayed. Additional working lights are stored in the toolbox behind the operator's cabin. They can be mounted at various positions on the machine by means of magnets or by attaching them to specific mounting points. The control panel lighting and the exterior lighting can be switched on by pressing the toggle switch below the Start button. The rotating beacons are switched on by pressing the toggle switch on the upper right-hand side of the control panel. For further information on servicing and maintenance, please refer to the manual included in the information folder.